Today's Christmas Eve. Let's see if I can catch her. Look at her. She's been like running around playing with the balls on the ground. Guys, I'm coming to you live and crusty. Today is, I think we're gonna start off a new vlog. I know yesterday I started off a vlog, but I think this is gonna be the Christmas vlog because we're literally like 2 days out. Today's Sunday? Yeah, 2 days from Christmas. Yesterday, we'll just let that be like a daily vlog where I just vlogged us doing the vision boards and my sister being in town. So hey guys, my name is Kenyatta. Welcome back to a new vlog. Welcome to my channel. If you're new here, do not forget to subscribe. If you're not new here, then what's good? How you doing? How you living? What is up? Happy holidays and welcome to my channel. So we are crusty because Jermaine left and I'm quickly trying to wrap the presents. This bag will not stay up. It's driving me insane. This Adidas bag, like what is the problem? Then you just gotta lay it on its side. So let's get to it. You don't need to see me, so it's just gonna like pan down to us doing a little bit wrapping. We got some boxes. It's like 10 boxes because we got mainly clothes and stuff. And then I got some wrapping paper. These all look like the tail ends of everything, so we'll see how this goes. We may need some more. Got some wrapping paper. Got our stickers. Let's do it.
I guess I really don't know what Christmas is all about. Isn't there anyone who knows what Christmas is all about? I can tell you what Christmas is all about.
Chestnuts roasting, Jack Frost nipping at your nose. We've no place to go. Let it snow, let it snow, let it snow.
Actually, Lucy, my trouble is Christmas. I just don't understand it. Instead of feeling happy, I feel sort of let down. I know how you feel about all this Christmas business, getting depressed and all that. It happens to me every year.
It's Eliza. I have a bunny. She's still very scared.
Let's put them on the floor then.
No, not in here. We'll never put all the food and stuff everywhere.
We'll do it.
Say hi to my new pet. Hey, girl.
I'm kind of scared of heights, though. No, I thought going. We're jumping.
Good morning from Eliza. Today's Christmas Eve. Let's see if we can catch her. She's been, look at her. She's been like running around playing with the balls on the ground. And she's gone. Eliza. She coming back, Booters? Okay. What's she doing? Eliza. Booters? What's she doing?
Before you open the door.
There she goes. ordered this last night from Amazon. Got her little carrier so that I need to take her. And it even has like the little airport, but like unless she's a support animal, I'm not gonna be having her as like a carry-on. Jermaine said you can do that, but I don't know. We'll see. But yeah, it has all these different ways. Like we can open this up so that she can like pop out this way. There's the front, there's the sides. We got it in like this green color. Yep. Little Eliza's little carrier. Hey guys, we are downtown Indy. We are going to go see the lights. So we normally go to the lights like by the mall or whatever and pay, but this is free and we're just gonna go down and see the lights. Look at my toboggan.
Just see those sleigh bells jingling, ring, tingle, tingling. I'm on the lovely weather for a sleigh ride together with you.
Take a marshmallow, right? Then you're gonna put your toothpick in it. Okay? Then you just build your snowman up. Alright? Okay? Then you can give them arms. Alright, buddy? Look. You give them arms. Right? It's okay. And then you can just keep building your snowman, okay?
But snowmans don't have arms.
They do. Yeah. Okay. Okay.
You sit at all.
Don't fall.
Bobo, you just gonna run into the trampoline? There you go. Hey guys, look. I got a little heat therapy sloth. Just me and the sloth in this mess. Watching Home Alone 2. Merry Christmas.
And whenever the chance to